Hello everyone, it's Julia here with your November Atlanta market update. As we head into the holidays, the real estate market is shifting again, and this time it's actually shifting in your favor. There's been a ton of noise. Elections, interest rates, affordability, national headlines saying the market is frozen. But when we look at the actual numbers here in Georgia and across our FMLS area, the reality is much more nuances and much more promising. So let me break down what's really happening and what it means for you and where I see the next big opportunities. Number one, the big picture. The market is quietly turning a corner. Nationwide, we just experienced the slowest turnover rate in 30 years. Only 28 out of every 1,000 homes change hands this year. Why? Three things: affordability changes, sellers climbing into the ultra-low rates, uncertainty around the economy. But here is the plot twist. We are now seeing early signs of recovery, and Georgia is moving a little faster than the national pace. Mortgage rates have eased into the low 6% range. Spreads have improved, inventory is finally climbing, and affordability actually hit its best level in 2.5 years. Let me show you how this is showing up locally. Number two, FMLS area snapshot, September versus last year. Here is what shifted across our Atlanta metro area. Average sales price $523,189, up 4.1%. Yes, even in this strange market, detached homes continue to appreciate. Homes for sale 28,660, up 19.2%. This is huge. Buyers finally have options again. Percent of original list price 94.9%, down slightly. Sellers are negotiating more. Buyers, you have breathing room again. Interest rates about 6.32% as of November, lower than they were for most of the last 2 years. So we are in this very interesting neutral zone, not a hot seller's market, not a buyer's market, but a strategic window where both sides can win if you're well guided. Number three, Georgia's statewide indicators. What's driving the shift? Across Georgia, September brought a wave of movement. New listings up 11%, closed sales up 4%, pending sales down 1%. This is more of a seasonal softening than a negative trend. Median price down slightly to $355,000. Average price up 1% to $448,363. Inventory up 20%. Monthly supply 4.7 months, the closest we've been to a balanced market in years. So when people ask, Julia, is the market cooling or heating? My answer is neither. It's normalizing, and that's good. This is the first time since 2019 that inventory is approaching normal levels, finally giving buyers options and giving sellers strategic timelines and predictable outcomes. Number four, the micro trends inside the data. This part is fascinating. Luxury homes, 500,000 plus for single family homes. Pending sales up 5%. The high-end market is moving. Affordable condos and townhomes under $199K, pending sales up 27%. Investors and first-time buyers are pre-entering. Days on the market up across all price points. This is normalizing, not crashing. Sellers need strategy, staging, pricing, and marketing more than ever. Inventory up everywhere, especially entry-level condos, up 66%. That's where opportunities for investors and downsizers are opening fast. Number 5, what this means for buyers. Buyers, listen closely. You finally have more homes to choose from, less competition, rates almost a full percentage point lower than earlier this year, price reductions entering the market again. And this is important. Waiting for prices to drop is not a strategy. Forecasts show that between now and 2030, the medium-priced homes is expected to gain about 60,000 in value. If you are renting or sitting on the sidelines, this is a moment to run your numbers again. The math may surprise you. Number 6, what this means for sellers. Sellers, this is not 2021, but it's also not 2008. Here is what you have going on for you. Prices are still higher than last year. Homes are selling, just not instant. Buyers have renewed purchasing power as affordability improves. Luxury properties in particular are showing strengths again. Proper presentation, pricing, and negotiation matter more than ever. This market rewards skill, not luck, which means your choice of agent has never mattered more. Number 7, looking ahead to 2026. Every major forecaster is projecting more home sales next year, motors price appreciation 2% nationally, rates remaining in the 5.75 to 6.25% range. We are stepping into the healthier, more sustainable market with opportunities on both sides. So here is my real estate advice as we go into the holiday season. If you're a buyer, start preparing. If you're a seller, give yourself time to position strategically. If you are an investor, inventory is rising, and this is the window when the best deals surface quiet. And if you're unsure where you fit, call me, text me, DM me. I will walk you through your options and give you a real plan, not a headline, not an opinion, an actual strategy tailored to your goals. I've been serving in Atlanta metropolitan area and guiding sellers and buyers for the last 22 years. I know how to help you win in every market, including this one. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share. And see you in December. Bye for now.
We are making your real estate dreams a reality. Partner with us for exceptional results.